One of Donald Trump's only clear wins as president was getting far-right extremist Neil Gorsuch onto the Supreme Court after Republicans stole the appointment from President Barack Obama and his brilliantly qualified nominee, Merrick Garland. Trump has also placed many other fringe radicals into the lower courts, despite Democrats managing to block a couple. And if Justice Anthony Kennedy decides to retire in 2019, Trump could get another Supreme Court pick. But according to a report from Axios, Trump has told White House sources he expects to appoint not 1 or 2 Supreme Court justices, but 4. Specifically, he believes he will replace 2 of the women, Ruth Bader Ginsburg and Sonia Sotomayor. When asked why, he proceeded to body-shame the 2 justices. Okay, one source told Trump, so that's 2. Who are the others? Ginsburg, Trump replied. What does she weigh? 60 pounds. Who's the 4th? the source asked. Sotomayor, Trump said, referring to the relatively recently appointed Obama justice, whose name is rarely, if ever, mentioned in speculation about the next justice to be replaced. Her health, Trump explained. No good. Diabetes. For the record, the 84-year-old Ginsburg has had major health scares. She has had a stent in her heart, and is one of very few people to have survived colon and pancreatic cancer. Despite this, she is incredibly active, and chest presses 70 pounds with a personal trainer twice a week. In February, 27-year-old journalist Ben Schreckinger tried to do Ginsburg's workout routine and said, "It nearly broke me." As for Sotomayor, Trump may be relying on stereotypes of diabetics as overweight. In fact, Sotomayor has type 1 diabetes, which is genetic and has nothing to do with weight or diet. It is also a very manageable condition, either with insulin shots or pumps that maintain normal blood glucose. In any case, Trump might not want to consult the actuaries on Sotomayor, given he is 8 years older than her. It is, however, not surprising that Trump's first impulse in a discussion on the Supreme Court was to talk about the bodies of the female justices. From his attacks on a Hispanic Miss Universe as Miss Piggy, to proclaiming Carly Fiorina would never beat him the Republican primary because look at that face, to his creepy compliments on the French First Lady's appearance during a diplomatic visit, Trump rates women by their physical traits and leaves it at that. If Trump wants to treat Supreme Court justices like contestants on one of his beauty pageants, we cannot have high hopes for the future of America's judicial branch.